Meet the Shark PowerDetect ThermaCharged 2-in-1 robot and heated mop cleaning NeverTouch Pro Base. Shark's new base automatically empties debris, refills the robot water tank, and even washes with hot water and dries the mopping pad with heat for up to 30 days of hands-free maintenance. In the box, you'll find your robot, base, ramp, side brushes, and other accessories. Remove all the protective plastic packaging from your robot and self-empty base. Find the perfect location for your base in a central area of your home close to your router where there's a strong Wi-Fi signal. Place the base on a flat level hard floor surface away from direct sunlight. Allow 2 feet of clearance from the ramp to any objects or carpet and 1 foot on either side of the base. Plug the cord into a wall outlet and install the ramp, pushing down until it clicks into place. The base indicator light turns white when the base is plugged in and powered on. Open the main lid on the front of the base to access the water tanks. Remove the clean water tank with the blue handle on the right side. Fill it with room temperature water up to the water fill line. Then add shark cleaning solution up to the solution fill line. Carefully reinstall the full tank back onto the base. Next, remove the odor neutralizer cartridge from the robot box and open the silver package. Flip up the gray handle and align the silver arrow on the cartridge with the arrow on the base. Then insert the cartridge. Twist counterclockwise on the handle until it clicks at least once. Continue to rotate the cartridge toward the high position to increase the intensity. Now that your base is ready to go, it's time to set up the robot. First, locate the side brush in the box. To install it on the bottom of the robot, align the hole in the brush over the peg on the bottom of the robot. Then, press down until the brush clicks into place. Align your robot with the Shark logo facing upside down. Then slide it up the ramp onto the base. The robot should click into place when properly installed, and the base indicator light will illuminate green. Take note of the user interface on the robot. It will light up when powered on and charging. While your robot charges to a sufficient battery level for cleaning, download the Shark Clean app to unlock the full functionality of your robot's cleaning features. This includes scheduling, cleaning reports, no-go zones, remote control, and so much more. Follow the instructions in the app to pair your robot when prompted. Tap the Wi-Fi button to enter pairing mode. The icon will turn blue and your robot will announce,
I am ready to connect to Wi-Fi.
Your robot's first mission is called an Explore Run because your robot needs to learn your home and create a map of your space. Before this first run, clear any socks, cords, toys, or other items from the floor and open doors to any rooms you'd like the robot to enter. This will help your robot create the most accurate map of your home possible. During the Explore Run, your robot will navigate around your home while building its map. Once your robot returns from its Explore Run, you can view your map, set up zones, and create rooms in the app. Now you're ready to get cleaning with your Shark PowerDetect ThermaCharged 2-in-1 robot. If you're looking for more information or cleaning tips, visit us at sharkclean.com.